Good afternoon, Classroom 3. Today we are doing May 7th activity for ELA, Social Emotional. You are going to read the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star nursery rhymes. Now, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star rhyme, Miss Tiana made a video on our YouTube channel last week, so you could just have the child go look at that video and say the rhyme with you. Now, after the child say the rhyme, you can have them draw stars and describe the shape of the star. Help your child hang them up. So you just help draw stars, talk about the shape, and hang it up around the house. Now for math, today is 3D shape sort. So again, I made a video last week on our YouTube channel, and it's called 3D shape, just showing you things around the house that look like 3D shapes. And we also have pictures here to help out. See right here, we have pictures of 3D shapes and things you may find around the house of 3D shapes. So that's what you're gonna do for math. And science and social studies, before bedtime, look outside to the night skies and ask your child, where can we see stars? What time of day can we see stars? How can stars look like diamonds? So these are the 3 questions you were asked. And you could record their response on a piece of paper and send it to me. That would be fine. Or you could use, if you download the Teaching Strategy Family Portal, you could write their answers on that if that's easier. Now for physical education, we're going to do game 161, to and from. And we have the instructions to the game down in the packet. And this is what you're going to do. It's just to ask your child to go to priority of locations. So therefore, let's go to the examples of how to play. So what you would do, name your child actions as he plays. Talk about what he's doing, if you're saying running, and what directions you want him or her to go. So for example, you could ask your child, you're running to the tree. Can you run to the fence? Then after they run to the fence, you could ask your child, it's farther, the tree, you could say, the tree is farther than the fence. And then you could ask your child again to run to another location, and after they run to the location, you could ask if it's closer or is it farther. Is it up a hill? Is it down a hill? Just to expand their vocabulary. So as it says right here, add labels such as up here or farther to introduce new descriptive concepts. Invite him to suggest an action to you. Talk about the action as you carry out his direction. So you could ask what he or she would like to do. Run, next, skip, jump, hop. That's just physical education. And that will be all. Again, record the child responses in the video. And if you have any questions or concern, please contact me. Thanks.